everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafty.
Hi everybody, so I am making a bow to go on the other gift, and I did find some purple ribbon. Now don't get me wrong, y'all, I have lots of ribbon, y'all, and I'm gonna spin you around, let you see some of it. No, I'm not, because I'm gonna get scolded for them not being up neat yet. I gotta put my ribbon all back where it's supposed to be. Anyway, this is the bow that I made for the purple one. So I'm gonna get it on here and show you all what the rest of them look like. They have all been bowed and bagged, and I've just gotta get the price tags on them. And I'm just using some twine to put this on here. Cut the little excess twine off. We're gonna and I will let you see all of them so you can see what they look like. They have turned out very nice with their pretty bows. And these are just single loop bows, y'all. I didn't even use the bow dabber for these because I don't use the bow dabber for everything, contrary to popular belief. I do not. I can, as I have said before, I can make the single loop, some double loop bows with my hands. But when I start doing more than that, it bothers my carpal tunnel and makes it very painful. So anyway, I'm going to spin you around, let you look at the finished products. Alright, so that is the purple one with the purple bow on it. And on this one, the Black Girl Magic, I used a very colorful bow just to pull in all of those colors. And this one we have our bee bow. I'll let you get a closer look at that one. Alright, the one for the fellas, I just did a simple red bow. And then Proud of My Roots, we have a green glitter bow. And as you can see, I tried to get the bows that match the lid. So this one here, although it has the greens and yellows in there, it is lined in pink, and it does have a pink lid. Alright, so that is how I did the bows on these. Nothing extravagant, but very nice looking Libby glasses. About to break them now. Very nice presentation, alright. And then as you can see, I do have my tags on there. And then I'm going to use my thermal printer and put the price tags on there. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,500. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.